I was in an accident recently at an intersection, and I was injured, had to be taken away. My daughter was in the car. She was also injured, dislocated shoulder, fractured ankles. Anyway, the two-part question is, this year I switched to a high-deductible medical plan just to try to save a little money on the insurance. I learned while I was still in the hospital, that in the police report they said that I was at fault, that I ran a red light. There were no other witnesses. And since that time, thankfully, there's a convenience store close by. I was able to go and get the owner, who was able to track down and was willing to look and find the surveillance video. And it shows clearly that just the opposite happened, that I did not run the red light, that the car who hit us broadside ran the red light. I forwarded that video to my insurance company, and they say now they're going to go after that driver and his insurance company. So one question is, do you really think they will do that? The other thing is, I have insurance through work and I have insurance through, my car. When I'm injured, should I have to pay this high deductible out of pocket, or will one of those insurance companies fill in the gap? So, two-part question.
Very good questions. Very lucky to have that video. And what would you tell Richard, Johnny?
Well, I'm glad I drank a little coffee before I came.
I know, right? You had to pay attention to that one.
That's a lot
Listen
to
closely.
digest.
I took notes.
So the first one was, do you think the insurance company will pursue that claim? No, I don't personally. Unless that driver had made a claim against you and your insurance company had to pay money to them, your insurance company really doesn't have any reason or motivation to pursue that claim on your behalf, because they're not out any money, and unless they had to pay to fix your car or something like that. Now, a personal injury attorney would be who I would talk to in that situation. They could pursue that claim, and I think that ties into your second question, which is, should you have to be out of pocket on your high deductible medical bills? Was that a second question?
Yes, it was.
No, you shouldn't. You should be able to, hopefully the other driver had insurance, and if they did, you can sue them and go after their insurance and be able to recover for the medical bills that you and your daughter incurred through the wreck. And it sounds like your daughter had significant injuries, so those bills are going to be pretty high.